Hey gorgeous queens! Your melanin is magic, and your beauty is unmatched. It's time to embrace your natural glow, because confidence is your best accessory. I've got some amazing beauty hacks that'll help you shine brighter than ever, so stick with me till the end. Trust me, you'll leave with some gems you won't want to miss. 1. Create a DIY curl refresher with water, a spritz of aloe vera juice, and a few drops of lavender oil to revive your curls mid-week. 2. Refresh your braids overnight by spritzing with rosewater and tying them up with a satin scarf for a next-day glow. 3. Detangle before you shampoo. Apply a leave-in conditioner before washing to avoid knotting and breakage. 4. Tame flyaways on the go with a quick swipe of a mascara wand dipped in coconut oil for a sleek finish. 5. Skip the shampoo, grab the conditioner. Co-washing, conditioner-only washing, keeps your curls hydrated and bouncy without stripping natural oils. 6. Grow longer lashes naturally by applying castor oil every night before bed. You'll wake up with healthier, stronger lashes in weeks. 7. Brighten your nails by soaking them in a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for 5 minutes to banish stains and add shine. 8. Exfoliate elbows and knees with a scrub made from sugar, honey, and a squeeze of lemon juice to keep your skin soft and smooth. 9. DIY edge control by mixing shea butter and aloe vera gel to slick down your baby hairs without the crunch. 10. Use a peach-toned concealer to hide under-eye darkness and hyperpigmentation. Blend well for a flawless finish. 11. Whiten your teeth at home with a mix of activated charcoal and coconut oil for a natural brightening boost. 12. Get rosy cheeks with beetroot. Use beetroot juice mixed with a little shea butter for a beautiful natural blush that pops on melanin-rich skin. 13. Buff away dry lips with a homemade scrub using brown sugar and olive oil. Follow up with your fave lip balm for super soft lips. 14. Lighten dark underarms naturally by applying yogurt and turmeric paste for 15 minutes twice a week to even out skin tone. 15. Promote hair growth by massaging your scalp with onion juice and rosemary oil. It helps your edges thrive and grow thicker. 16. Deep condition like a pro. After applying conditioner, cover your hair with a plastic cap and wrap in a warm towel to boost hydration. 17. Steam your face weekly with hot water and green tea. It opens pores, detoxes your skin, and adds a natural glow. 18. Turn your lipstick into a multitasker. Dab it on your cheeks and blend for a quick and easy monochromatic makeup look. 19. Plump up your lips overnight with a thick layer of Vaseline or shea butter. Wake up with a hydrated, soft pout. 20. Sharpen your lip game. Use a lip pencil slightly darker than your lipstick to define and shape your lips for a fuller effect. 21. Avoid the ashy look by setting your makeup with a translucent powder that matches your undertone, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish. 22. Remove stubborn makeup easily with coconut oil. It breaks down even waterproof formulas and leaves your skin soft and glowing. 23. Protect your curls with a leave-in conditioner after every wash. Your strands will stay moisturized, frizz-free, and super soft. 24. Rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar after shampooing to balance pH levels. Promote shine and reduce frizz. 25. Lock in your perfume by dabbing shea butter or Vaseline on your pulse points before spritzing your favorite scent. It'll last all day. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to glow, queens. Remember, your beauty is unique, and confidence is your secret weapon. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your favorite hack in the comments. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next one.